welcome back to my channel. I am really excited and looking forward to this. So in today's video, I'll be making Reese Witherspoon's green smoothie recipe. I was scrolling through Instagram and then I saw her video. I decided to take a look at it and I love smoothies. So I really wanted to give this a try, but I didn't have all the ingredients yet until today. I love Reese Witherspoon. She is awesome. I've watched her since the very beginning, and obviously Legally Blonde is such an iconic movie. Reese, if you're watching this, hello, I'm a big fan. It is a super healthy green smoothie and Reese says that she drinks this every day. I'm just going to switch up her recipe a little bit. I'm going to make the smoothie every day. So she makes a smoothie every other day, but I'm at home now. It's quarantine season, so I'm just going to try to make the smoothie every day. I'll be cutting her smoothie recipe in half. I really can't wait, honestly. So I'll be doing this for a week, and at the end of the week, I'll let you know what I think about the smoothie, how it tastes, and if I lost any weight. Also, if you are new to my channel, my name is Tiffany, and I post YouTube videos related to lifestyle, activity, work weeks, recipes, and other random stuff. So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe down to my channel below so you don't miss any future videos, and also give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so let's go get started. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. I'm using 1 head of lettuce, and right now I'm using these 365 organic hearts of romaine, and I just washed them and put this in here. So I'll be using that for the smoothie. I'll be using this organic baby spinach, 1/4 cup of spinach, a 1/4 cup of coconut water. I'm using this Zico coconut water, half a banana. I also am using this little tiny apple. If you have a regular apple, just use half of it, but I'll be using the whole thing since it's so small. I'll be using half a pear and half a lemon. She also put down celery as optional, but I'll just be using 2 stalks of celery. I'll be using my Vitamix E320. This was given to us as a wedding present, so thank you. Okay, so let's go start putting things together. Okay, so I'm gonna start by chopping the lettuce, and so it's easier to blend in the Vitamix. Okay, 1 head of lettuce. This is a lot of lettuce. Like, that is awesome. This is a really good way to get your veggies in. Now I'll be adding in a 1/4 cup of spinach. The spinach is in. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of coconut water and half a banana. I'm going to add in 1 apple since it's super small, and make sure you remove the core for the apples. I'm going to use half a pear. Going to chop up half a lemon, and she says to use all the seeds, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, so I'm going to add in some celery. She didn't specify how much, and it is optional, but I'm just going to add in 2 stalks of celery. So the other half of the banana, pear, and lemon, I'm just going to store it for tomorrow. Okay, so this is a lot. Wow, there's a lot of ingredients in here. I can't wait. So I will be drinking this every day, and I'll be substituting my breakfast for the smoothie. So let's see if I lost any weight and see how I feel after the end of the week. There is honestly so much stuff in here, but it's all natural ingredients. So I can't wait to see how this tastes. Hopefully it tastes pretty good and that I'll be able to drink it every day. So let's go and blend this up. Okay, it is looking good. It is super green. Oh wow, it actually smells really good. Okay, so let's go pour this into a tumbler and let's check it out. I'm just going to give it a little stir and let's take a sip. Cheers! This is really good. I think I did a little too much of the celery since that taste is really prominent. I'm gonna just do 1 celery stalk. Next time, I could definitely drink this every day. It's actually the perfect amount of sweetness. It's not too sweet and it's not overpowering. Honestly, you really don't taste the greens that you're having. When I try some green smoothies, some of them, you can really taste the greens in there, but I don't taste them in here. So I'll be drinking this for my breakfast, and I will see you guys back tomorrow. Hello, this is day number 2 of doing the green smoothie recipe. The only change I'll be making is instead of using 2 sticks of celery, I'll just be using 1 stick of celery so it doesn't have too strong of a celery taste on the smoothie. So let's go and get started. So I decided to just add 1 scoop of collagen peptides to my mix. I'm using the Vital Proteins collagen peptides. I have a huge container since I drink it pretty often. I'm just gonna add 1 scoop of this and blend it all up. Okay, so I just made myself the green smoothie and it looks really good. Also, when I drank this yesterday, it made me super full. I almost didn't drink the entire smoothie since it was so filling. So I think this will definitely keep me full for a very long time. Okay, so I will check in back with you tomorrow. Hello everyone, I am back. I am ready to make the smoothie and start off my day right. So let's go make it. So I just made my smoothie. So good. I'm definitely getting used to the taste now. This might sound weird, but it kind of tastes sweeter than the first time I've had it. I think my taste buds are slowly adjusting to the taste of the green smoothie. Even after I'm done with this first week, I think I'll probably continue this. Tomorrow, I'll try to have some almond butter or peanut butter and add it to the smoothie and we'll see how it tastes. Okay, so I'll be drinking this and I will catch up with you tomorrow. Okay, it is the next day and let's go make the smoothie. You already know the drill. I'm just going to be adding some peanut butter to the mix. I'm using this creamy unsalted peanut butter from Trader Joe's. I don't usually put peanut butter in, so let's see how this tastes. Okay, so let's add in the peanut butter. This is our peanut butter green smoothie. So let's go give this a try. This is really good. I love the peanut butter flavor in this. It's really good. This is practically a meal. I will drink this and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hello, this is day number 5. Loving it so far. I feel much more energetic for the past couple of days and I just feel that this is doing so well for my health. I do like how much fiber I'm getting from the smoothie. And now breakfast is ready. Okay, so I'm just gonna drink this and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hello, good morning. I am going to make the smoothie for the day. I think this is day 6. Made it this far. day, another green smoothie. Dropping in my middle straw. So good. Hello, welcome back. This is our last day of making the green smoothie recipe. I have been loving it so far, so let's go make that smoothie today. Later today, I'll share with you what I think of the green smoothie, and having tried it for a week now, I'll let you know my thoughts about it and whether I lost any weight, so stay tuned for that. So let's go make the smoothie. Let's go drink the smoothie. Cheers. So good. So I tried Reese Witherspoon's green smoothie recipe for 1 week, and I just wanted to share with you how it went. So it went really well. I was able to stick to it and have the smoothie every single day. Honestly, at first, I couldn't finish a smoothie since it was a lot of greens in 1 cup. Honestly, I've never drank so much greens in a smoothie before, so it definitely took some time to get adjusted to it. But after a couple of days or so, I definitely have gotten used to it really well. On some days, I wish that I had something else to eat instead of having the smoothie, but I think for me, it's more of a lifestyle change. Honestly, I really like it now since I know exactly what I'll be having for breakfast. So some of the benefits that I've realized after having the smoothie for 1 week: it definitely helps me stop craving for unhealthy foods after drinking the smoothie. Drinking this really keeps me full for about 2 to 3 hours. And also, I usually have smaller lunches and smaller dinners because I'm still full from the smoothie. It's kind of weird, but honestly, like, having the smoothie every day makes such a huge difference. Maybe it's because in the morning and you're like getting into the mindset of today I want to be healthy and I'm not going to be eating really bad foods all throughout the day since I have the green smoothie to start my day up. Having something healthy in the morning really just makes me want to continue to be healthy throughout the whole day. Also, my bloating has significantly decreased, so I'm definitely a big fan of that. You're basically drinking so much fiber in just 1 cup. I'm not a huge fan of celery usually, but I was able to put in a stick of celery when I made the smoothie, so it definitely adds more greens than I would have been eating on a regular basis. So definitely a really good way of getting your greens in: spinach, celery, lettuce, all the greens. So have I lost any weight? I have lost 1 pound. And I know it's probably water weight, but I feel 10 times better than I have in the beginning of the week. I feel so much better about my health, my body, my bloating has decreased. I feel I'm getting enough nutrients every day. So I just feel really good about it, and I think I'm gonna keep on continuing the green smoothie every single day like Reese Witherspoon. Thank you, Reese, for sharing your recipe with us. It's awesome and I love it. Let me take another sip of the smoothie. And also, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you found this video to be really informative and useful. Let me know in the comments below if you are going to give this green smoothie a try. If you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe down to my channel below. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers, so it would mean a lot to me if you subscribe down to my channel. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone! Is this crooked right now? Broken. Hello.